Quick disclaimer before we start, nothing in this video is not, but it's the foundation. Put $30 into Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum powers most of the crypto ecosystem. DeFi, NFTs, smart contracts. If crypto succeeds long-term, Ethereum is probably a huge part of that. Keep $20 in reserve. Don't spend it yet. As you learn more over the next few weeks, you'll start to understand which altcoins might be worth a small bet. That $20 is your learning money. Do not, and I can't stress this enough, do not put your entire $100 into some random altcoin you saw on TikTok because some guy said it's going to 100x. That's how people lose everything. The coins with the biggest hype are usually the ones that crash the hardest. Start boring. Get your feet wet. Bitcoin and Ethereum have survived every crash, every bear market, every FUD cycle. There's a reason for that. Step 3. Reading charts. You don't need to become a technical analysis wizard, but you should understand the basics so you're not trading blind. Pull up any coin on Coinbase or TradingView. You'll see a price chart. It goes up, it goes down. The green candles mean the price went up during that time period. Red candles mean it went down. Each candle represents a time period, could be 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. There are 2 things beginners should watch. Support. That's a price level where the coin keeps bouncing off. It's like a floor. Resistance. That's a price level where it keeps getting rejected. It's like a ceiling. When a coin breaks through resistance, it often runs up. When it falls through support, it often drops hard. That's it. Support and resistance. You don't need 47 indicators and Fibonacci retracements and Elliott wave theory, at least not yet. Just understand where a coin has been, where it keeps bouncing, and where it keeps getting rejected. One more thing. Zoom out. Always zoom out. A coin might look like it's crashing on the 1-hour chart, but it's actually up 200% on the yearly chart. Perspective matters. Step 4. And this is the strategy I promised you. It's called DCA, dollar cost averaging, and it's the single best strategy for beginners. Here's how it works. Instead of putting all $100 in at once and praying you time the market right, you invest a fixed amount on a regular schedule. Say $25 every week, or $50 every 2 weeks. Doesn't matter when the price is, you just buy consistently. Why does this work? Because nobody, and I mean nobody, can consistently time the market. Not hedge fund managers, not crypto Twitter gurus, not that guy at work who called the last bull run. Nobody. DCA removes emotion from the equation. When the price is high, your $25 buys less crypto. When the price is low, your $25 buys more. Over time, this averages out your purchase price and dramatically reduces your risk of buying at the top. Let me show you real numbers. If you DCA'd $25 a week into Bitcoin over the last 4 years, through the crash, through the bear market, through everything, you would have invested about $5,200 total. The value of that Bitcoin today? Over $14,000. That's a 170% return, and you didn't have to time a single trade. Coinbase actually has an auto buy feature. Set it and forget it. $25 a week into BTC and ETH. That's your strategy. It's boring. It works. Step 5. The mistakes that wreck beginners. I made most of these, so learn from my pain. Mistake FOMO buying. A coin pumps 40% in a day, and you rush to buy at the top because you think it's going to keep going. It almost never does. By the time you see the pump, the smart money is already selling. If you missed the move, you missed it. There's always another one. Mistake 2. Panic selling. The market drops 20%, and you sell everything at a loss because you're scared. Crypto is volatile. 20% dips are normal. If you can't stomach that, either invest less or stick to DCA and stop checking the price every hour. Mistake 3. Keeping crypto on the exchange. Exchanges can get hacked. They can freeze your account. If you're holding more than a few $100s, get a hardware wallet, a Ledger or Trezor, and move your crypto off the exchange. Not your keys, not your coins. That's not just a saying, it's a survival rule. Mistake 4. Chasing altcoins and meme coins. Yes, someone turned $500 into $50,000 on a meme coin. You know what you don't hear about? The 10,000 people who turned $500 into $12 on the same coin. Stick to BTC and ETH until you really understand the market. Mistake 5. Investing money you need. This is the big one. If you can't pay rent this month, do not put that money into crypto. This is money you invest and forget about. If losing your entire $100 would hurt you financially, invest less. There's no shame in starting with $20. Alright, so you've got your exchange set up, your first Bitcoin and Ethereum purchased, and your DCA running. Now what? Learn. That's it. Spend the next 30 days learning before you make any other moves. Follow credible crypto accounts, not the ones promising 100x returns. Read about what Bitcoin and Ethereum actually do. Understand what a bull market and bear market look like. Learn about market cycles. Free resources I recommend. Coinbase. Learn. They literally pay you small amounts of crypto to watch educational videos. YouTube channels that focus on education, not hype. And CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap for tracking prices and market data. After 30 days, you'll start seeing the market differently. You'll notice patterns. You'll understand why prices move. And you'll be in a way better positioned to decide if you want to invest more, explore altcoins, or try different strategies. The goal with your first $100 isn't to get rich. It's to get educated. That education is worth way more than any single trade. Look, crypto isn't magic money. It's not a guaranteed path to wealth, but it is one of the most asymmetric opportunities available right now. A small amount of money, invested consistently and intelligently, can grow into something significant over time. You don't need $10,000 to start. You don't need a finance degree. You need $100, the right strategy, and the patience to let it work. The biggest mistake you can make right now isn't picking the wrong coin. It's waiting. Every month you sit on the sidelines, you're missing the compounding that DCA investors are stacking. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. So here's your action plan coming out of this video. Step 1. Open a Coinbase account tonight. Takes 5 minutes. Step 2. Fund it with $100 this week. Step 3. Split it 50 BTC, 30 ETH, 20 in reserve. Step 4. Set up a $25 weekly auto buy. Step 5. Spend the next 30 days learning, not trading. That's it. That's the whole game for a beginner. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button. Off Clock Hustle is all about building wealth after the 9 to 5. Side hustles, investing, crypto, and every play that actually works. Drop a comment. Are you going to start with $100? More? Less? Already in crypto and wish you'd watched this sooner? I want to hear it. I'll see you in the next one.